Imagine the scent of ozone and iron filling the air as thunder crashes over a battlefield where legends go to die. High above the carnage, shimmering through the red mist of war, feathered wings of steel descend to decide who earns eternity and who fades into dust. They aren't just warriors, they are the hand-picked executioners of fate, Odin's own daughters of war, the Valkyries. Today, we peel back the veil of myth to witness the raw power of the women who bridge the gap between mortal agony and divine glory. Brace yourself, because the sky is screaming and the choosers of the slain have arrived to claim what is theirs. Welcome to Preyo Tidings, where we dive deep into the ancient echoes of power that shaped our world. I'm your guide through the halls of Valhalla, uncovering the bone-chilling truth behind the legendary Valkyries. In the heart of the Norse cosmos, where the icy winds of Niflheim meet the fires of Muspelheim, there exists a force of nature that defies both life and death. The Valkyries are not merely mythological entities, they are the cosmic architects of the battlefield, designed by the All-Father Odin himself to be the ultimate arbiters of human destiny. To understand their power, you must first strip away the romanticized images of soft maidens in flowing gowns and replace them with the reality of armored titans. These goddesses of grit were forged in the fires of Yggdrasil's wisdom, tasked with the most grueling job in the 9 realms, watching humanity destroy itself and picking the best pieces from the wreckage. Their name literally translates to choosers of the slain, a title that carries the weight of 1,000 empires and the blood of countless kings. They are the unseen watchers, the silent observers who hover on the edge of every sword stroke, waiting for the precise moment when a soul proves its worth. Their presence is felt in the sudden chill before a charge and the strange peace that settles over a dying hero's eyes. This isn't just about picking soldiers, it's about curating an army for the end of the world, a divine recruitment process that has fascinated scholars for centuries. The USA's obsession with these figures stems from their representation of ultimate meritocracy. Only the bravest, the strongest, and the most honorable earn a seat at the table. The origin of the Valkyries is as complex as the runes etched into their shields. Figures like Brynhildr and Gunnar weren't just names in a poem, they were the commanders of the clouds, leading legions of supernatural entities into the thickest fray. When we look at the historical impact of these figures, we see a reflection of the Viking Age's deep respect for the warrior spirit. They were the ultimate enforcers, ensuring that the laws of combat were upheld and that no act of cowardice went unpunished. Their power is rooted in the concept of fylgja, a spirit that follows a person, often appearing as these armored women during the moment of truth. They fought against the forces of chaos, the Jotun giants, and the treacherous beings that sought to destabilize the order of the realms. Their primary enemies were the unworthy, those who fought without heart, whom the Valkyries would leave to rot in the cold mists of Helheim. In every major conflict, the Valkyries are the ones turning the tide, not always by swinging swords, but by deciding who survives. They are the ultimate strategists, looking centuries ahead to the final battle of Ragnarok. They have suppressed entire rebellions of the undead and stood toe-to-toe with the fiercest monsters of the underworld. In the eyes of a Viking, seeing a Valkyrie wasn't a death sentence, it was a promotion to the highest rank of existence. Once a warrior is hand-picked, the Valkyries don't just vanish, they become the hostesses of the afterlife. Imagine stepping through the massive gilded doors of Valhalla, where the ceiling is thatched with golden shields. This is their domain. They are the backbone of this entire operation, serving as the bridge between the mortal struggle and divine luxury. They are the ones who pour the sacred mead, ensuring the morale of the einherjar remains razor-sharp. But don't mistake their hospitality for weakness. These women possess the power to heal wounds that would kill a god, and the foresight to know exactly when the horn of Heimdall will sound. Their influence extends to the weather itself.
Ancient legends say the aurora borealis is the reflection of Valkyrie armor as they gallop across the night sky. This connection makes them elemental forces, as unpredictable as a North Sea storm. They have clashed with the deceptions of Loki and the brute force of the frost giants, always emerging as the elite inner circle of Odin. Before we reveal the terrifying secrets of the Valkyries' ultimate weapons, make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for Preyo Tidings. We're on a mission to bring you the world's most powerful legends. Drop a comment below. Do you think you're worthy of Valhalla? Let's find out. The Predator and the Modern Icon. The armory of a Valkyrie is filled with items that defy physics, spears that never miss, and shields forged from the echoes of creation. But there is a darker, predatory side. In the grit of the original myths, Valkyries were associated with ravens and wolves. They were sometimes depicted weaving the fate of men, using human remains as thread. This reminds us that they are agents of a primal, unforgiving universe where death is the only currency. They have been known to incite wars just to increase the recruitment pool for Odin. Why do they dominate our culture today? Because they represent the fusion of strength and autonomy, the original boss queens. From Marvel movies to heavy metal lyrics, the Valkyrie remains the gold standard for lethal grace. They remind us that honor isn't born, it's earned in the heat of battle. Their stories survived because the message is universal. There is a higher purpose to our struggles. They are the ones who see our true worth when the world sees only our failure. As the countdown to Ragnarok begins, the Valkyries lead the charge out of the 540 doors of Valhalla. Every warrior they chose will stand with them in a final defiance against the darkness. This is their ultimate payoff, the chance to fight for existence itself. They are the special ops of the gods, the elite, the proud, and the incredibly dangerous. As we conclude, remember, the Valkyries are still watching, still choosing, and still waiting for the next hero to rise. They are the destiny we choose for ourselves when we decide to be brave. The Valkyries are more than just myths. They are the reminders that our actions today echo in eternity. Thank you for joining Preyo Tidings. If this fueled your inner warrior, smash that like button and share this with your fellow shield maidens. Keep fighting your battles, and who knows, the choosers of the slain might be watching you next. Stay legendary.